And so if we click this, boom, this is the inventory system. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an inventory system in Roblox Studio. And make sure to subscribe and like the video, because 95% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you guys can subscribe, that will really help me out a bunch, and it's completely free and you can always unsubscribe later. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So anyways, to show you how to do your inventory system, of course you're going to need a frame and all those cool things to go with that. So we're going to go ahead and insert a screen GUI, which we're going to call Inventory GUI for now. And I'm going to insert the frame, boom, and I'm going to label this, let's just call it Inventory Frame. And make sure, if you're gonna publish your game to like other devices like iPad and Xbox and stuff like that, make sure to change the size to scale only, so 0.8, comma 0, comma 0.8, sorry, comma 0. And this is big, but I'm going to change it up and change it a little smaller. Okay, for the video, let's go here, and this is, alright, it doesn't have to be perfect, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the toolbox because we don't really need it, to be honest. Okay. Alright, bam. Alright, so we're gonna get the main frame, so we're just gonna rename this to main frame because I messed up. Doesn't really matter about the names, you can name it whatever you want. Just gonna name it main frame. Okay, great. And now I'm gonna go and get a different frame inside of that. And actually, I might just copy this, Control C, Control V, and place this in main frame, and we're gonna call this inventory or item frame, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna call it item frame because why not? Click on item frame, and I'm gonna change the color because it's really getting on my nerves that it's so weird. Okay, so we're gonna put this position 0.5, 0, 0.5, oops, 0. Okay. That is really weird. Whatever, I'm just gonna place it in the center right here, so 0.12. That's so weird. Anyways, now what we're gonna do is well, you don't have to, but I'm gonna do it because it's really getting on my nerves of how ugly this is looking. So I'm gonna change the background transparency to 0.5. Or actually, let's do a little bit more thicker, so 0.8. Oh wait, what? No. 0.2. Alright, perfect. And now we're gonna go to the item frame, and we're just gonna do 0.2 as well. Perfect. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the background color to, where's the background color? I'm blind. To maroon, favorite color, or that's my favorite color, but still. And this one to a darker maroon. Alright, perfect. Now once this is done, you have your own little GUI, I don't know what to call it. But then on top of this, I'm gonna go ahead and get like a title or something. So let's go to text label. And you can put it like up here. I'm gonna put it up here. So I'm just gonna name this inventory. Alright, and then I'm gonna rename this to title. And go down here to size. What did I just... What did I just do? Okay, whatever. Alright, fixed it now. Okay. Alright, and now we're gonna change the transparency to 1. And the text scaled. And let's get a font on there, why not? Let's get bolded, why not? And, yeah, I guess I'll do this. Looks cute. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna go to the item frame, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a image button. Okay. Or actually, we'll do it. Yeah, why not? I guess we'll do like a text button. You guys can add an image button if you want. Okay, great. And I'm gonna add size. Alright. It's here, and obviously, I don't know why, I have an addiction to add UI corners because it looks better. Great. Alright. I'm gonna go here, and I'm going to rename this to wood. Or actually, you guys can put whatever you want in this section. So I'm just gonna put wood. Great. And I'm gonna call this inventory, or not inventory button. I'm gonna call it like something like wood inventory button. It's long, I know, but yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna go to background transparency. So this is 0.5, or not 0.5, sorry, 0.1. Background color we'll do black, and then the text color we will do white, and then text scaled, and then font. Alright, it kind of looks creepy. Let's do something like this, wood. Okay. And honestly, it doesn't look good, so I'm just gonna go back. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna go back and get the bright red in there. Not bright red, but stuff. Alright, perfect. Oh yeah, inventory GUI, and I'm just gonna close that up, and we're gonna get a text button. Alright, and actually, I can just go ahead and copy this wood inventory. So control duplicate, actually no, duplicate, and I'm going to put this in the inventory GUI. So now I can move it out really wherever I want. I'm going to change this to inventory, and this is going to be the button that gives you access to open the inventory. So we're going to go to this, and we're going to go to the logo script, and we're going to script this. So script.parent dot mouse button click next function script.parent dot parent mainframe dot visible visible equals true. Okay, great. And inside of the inventory mainframe, we're going to add another. So duplicate this, and add this inside the mainframe, and we're going to call this back button. And I'm just going to rename this to inventory button. Great. Okay. So now with the I'm gonna close this up. Back button. We're gonna name this to X, and we're gonna place this button right up there. Okay, and same gist of it. I'll delete this line right here. Okay, and here we're going to put script.Parent.Visible equals false. Alright, great. Okay, so now after doing that, if we turn the mainframe into the visible title, we have to put this in the mainframe as well. And let's just make this visible again, because I need to make this better. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to go to the mainframe and we're going to put visible off, and then we're going to just play and test this out. Inventory, and then if you click the X, obviously if you click wood it won't do anything. So after you make the script, you're going to write this code on the script, and I just wrote the script and I'm showing it to you guys not to waste your time. So you guys can copy this code right here, and also this code will be in the description below if you need it. Okay, great. So after you did this, you're going to go to Starter GUI and back to Inventory GUI, where you see the mainframe, and you're going to add a local script inside of that. You're going to insert this code right here, not very long as the one before, but this code will also be in the links below, and I will label both of them. So make sure to copy this. You can pause the video and copy it, or copy it from the description. Copy the script. You're going to go back to your base plate, and we're just going to make this invisible again. And also you can get rid, actually no, you don't get rid of the inventory button. What you're going to do now is you have to make like parts to test it out around your map or something. Of course, you can always add different buttons on and on, like 6, 5, and add like a scrolling UI, so if you have a lot more than expected, the players can scroll down. So what you have to do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a part to make wood. Get the scale tool. Oops, oh my god. Okay. Alright. I'm going to duplicate this in this part, and I'm just going to create like, okay, you know what, it'll just be a single block, and I'll create another one actually as well, or I'll place something like on top of it like that, and then and then I'll place another block. Alright, and then now it's time to group this together, so group as a model. Yeah, group as a model. And I'm just going to name this wood. Alright, perfect. And we can just name this as well wood 2, not to get mixed up. Alright, and then I'm going to start texturizing it, so color, let's do like a good brownish color. And for the material, I'm gonna do, okay, properties, let's go to material. Alright, material, plastic, we'll do looks like a wood. Okay, we'll just do this, and actually, sorry, I'm just having a hard time. Okay, let's see. Should we do... Here, let's get wood planks. And for another one, we'll get just wood. Or, not wood, sand, okay. And I'm going to change this into mud color. Perfect. Once you're done with this, you want to add click detectors. So I'm going to add a click detector on this. Actually, I'm going to delete this because I don't need it. So we're going to go ahead and add a click detector. So click detector. Looks like a little mouse thing. Okay. Oh, is there a weld? Yeah, it's a weld. Okay, once you're done with that, you want to go to the part, and you want to add a script, just a normal script, not local script. And you can rename it to whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it as script. And in this script, it's going to be pretty short, I would say. So we're going to make it a variable local item equals script.parent item dot click detector dot mouse click connect function. Alright, and then item dot parent equals player find first child, and rename this to inventory. Must have made a mistake. But that's a script, and I forgot to add player in here. That's the problem. Alright, there we go. So this is a script, and after this it should work, I would say. So let's go ahead and test this out. Yes. So as you can see, you can click them. So let's just test this out. I messed up. Let's play again. Alright, so let's click this. It's in our inventory, and we can drop it again. So if you guys want like that little pop-up to go away, the wood pop-up, here's what you need to do. But make sure that your model, if you made a model of like a group of 2 or something, 2 or more, make sure to put a primary part from something within the model. So I've got my primary part, so click this, so search a primary part, and click one of the parts. So I'm going to click this part. Alright. And then once that's done, make sure when you go to mainframe that your wood inventory button is invisible as well. So, oops. Yeah. Alright. Is invisible as well, so visible false. Alright, and then if we click play, it should work. Okay, so if I click this, wood, it drops. And also we're gonna go ahead and bring back that back button from earlier because I'm stupid and I didn't know that we needed one. So okay, let's go to item frame, or not item frame, sorry, mainframe. Go to text button. Same thing with the size again. 0.1, 0.1, 0. This too. Oops. Label this X. text. So we'll do rich text as well, why not? And then background transparency, set to 1. And the font, make it bold. And we'll set that to that. Okay, now it should work. So if we and no, not yet, because then we have to rename this into, oops, sorry. Then we have to rename this into back button. Alright, oops, not rename. And then add a local script. And we're going to script this scripts.parent.not-small-click non-connect function. Script.parent.parent visible equals false, and make sure that script, or no, that's it. Perfect. And then once that script is done, you can go back to the main frame and visible equals false, so click that. Alright, and then it should be able to work now. Okay, wood, drop it, click the X, boom, and you can go wherever you want and drop the, oh, it returns to its same place. It should be, there's a flaw with my Roblox video. I need to update it. I haven't updated it. It had like a new update there, but there's a flaw. But anyways, yeah, that is how you create an inventory system. And obviously this is big, I made it big. So yeah, leave a like and comment below what you thought, if it's working or not. All the scripts will be in the description below. Subscribe, it's totally free, and I should be seeing at least 10% of y'all being subscribed.